took all the shit out of here. So what did we pick up this up at?
150.
And what are you gonna sell it for?
It's gonna be on the market for 200.
And what day did we buy this?
A week ago.
Oh, we did. We bought it Thursday, right? Tuesday or Wednesday this week.
Zach and Flip with Rick here, just showing you 2 days after I shot that video. I went home, I set everything up, and I'm just going to show you what I did to the house, how much money we spent, and how we're ready to put this on the market 1 day after. So let's switch this around. I'll show you around the property. The interior here, you can see everything's cleared out. So quick tip we use is we just put use all those lamp shades and we just put them up, keep them nice and pretty here. Had the cleaner come in this morning. We got a couple surprises for you around here. Clear it out. Clear it out. And clear it out. All right, let's take it outside here. You guys look outside here. We got the grass cut. And we got the landscapers today. They dug everything up here. They mulched it. They put some nice pretty plants around here. Cost us a hefty $300 to get all that done. So I think they did a pretty good job. Mulch really brightens everything up. And the thing you might not be noticing here is, let's take it to the side here. If you look on the side here, there's no more stucco cracks. Wow. That's because I got everything painted for about $1,500. Look at that beautiful paint job. We got a good paint guy by us, so if you look deeply, you don't even notice stucco cracks at all. It's like it never even happened. Stucco here, and he repainted, and then here's the big thing is he had a nice base right here, and we had a white trim. Looks beautiful, very neutral. And hey, where's the camper? I'll show you in a quick second what we did to the camper. So the exterior looks beautiful in the house. You know, I said it was a pretty nice, clean property, but we just made it even better. We got the back and the front pressure washed. I really recommend you guys do pressure washing if you're wholetailing. If you look around here, oh shoot, who's that? Oh, it's Rick. Let's see what Rick's got to say here.
Done yet? Hey, what's up, guys? Hey, this is the real deal of like flipping houses. So if you want to maximize and make quick buck for a couple hours of work and get rid of some real junk, and then we found we had our vendors work here. Zach tracked the garbage guy down. I think he bribed him, took all the shit out of here. So what did we pick up this up at?
150.
And what are you gonna sell it for?
It's gonna be on the market for 200.
And what day did we buy this?
A week ago.
Oh, we did. We bought it Thursday, right? Tuesday or Wednesday this week.
Tuesday, yeah, Tuesday.
And today's what? Saturday.
Yes.
So our wholesale is usually within 1 week. So guys, and this is the side hustle we have on this. It's a side hustle, but not a side hustle because it's all real estate related, because the money's in that deal, not into the little trinket.
What about the A-liner?
The A-liner, yeah, I'm not into that. So Zach's now sold boats, cars, RVs. What else we got to add to it? Just
sit down lawnmower.
Yeah, or like a small airplane.
Quick tip real quick. Put a bandit sign right next to your property. If there's no one here, just throw a bandit sign right here. So, all right, so first, got Rick back here. quick wholesale right now. We're gonna break down when we sell this property. It's on the market right now. We're gonna put that realtor sign. Realtor sign's actually in there. We make some money. So see you soon, guys. Zach and Flip the Rig.